power steering pump and new steering box.
It's a lot better.
No more whining, not as twitchy. Still thinking about doing the pressure reduction valve just to make the steering a little not as easy. Oil pressure, almost 70 pounds, just cruising. We were doing 60 and turned about 2,200 RPMs. Bad luck garage cards up here. This thing just sounds so freaking good, right?
I like it when he does that.
Oh yeah, and the torque converter locks. That's the trick, guys. This thing's got a 3200 stall, but when you're cruising, that torque converter locks up. There's no slip then. It's just you're good. Yeah, I thought you were going to drift it there for a second. It put your head back, that's for damn sure. So for those of you that don't know, this is the DR Nova. It's a 6.0 with just a small cam in it. It's a Brian Tooley Stage 3 truck cam in it. So it's, I mean, it's not real big. It's like, I think it's 218, 224 duration, 114 LSA. I think it's like 556 lift. So it's not a very big cam at all, man. It does good for a daily driver. And it definitely gets out of its own way. It definitely moves out. Runs high 7s in the 8th and cruises nice and easy. That's what we built it for.